2005 Chevy Malibu 4T45 or 4T40 transmission. Brought to us because of a problem. And the problem is it doesn't shift. It doesn't slip, but doesn't shift also. Let's see what we got here. So I'll take off. Doesn't slip, but doesn't shift. RPMs way up. One thing to notice is the speedometer is not working. Okay. It does have a service vehicle soon light on. There. Service vehicle soon. Right there. But no check engine light on. And when I scan it, only thing I see when I scan it is a P0450 and a P0128. This is an engine coolant temperature sensor below thermostat regulating temperature, and the evap emission system large leak detected. Okay, so it's not shifting, but it's not throwing any transmission codes. Why, I don't know. Let me see. Check engine light is on that side, and it is not lighting. Don't know if somebody erased the codes or not. Did come from a different shop, but then who knows. So I'll take off, and speedometer is not working. Now what I'm gonna do, let me check here and see if I can see the computer seeing a output speed sensor signal. Okay, escape. Alright, transmission input. Here's where I want to see right here, the output speed sensor, or vehicle speed, commanded gear 2. Alright. Go to, forgetting how to, show. Okay. So I got the output speed. I'm going to take a ride here, see if I can see. It's hard to see. Put this over here. It's still hard to see. Well, I'm going to have to drive like this then. Whew. Alright, let me move. Output speed and vehicle speed, none of that is showing, and I am moving. It's not, I'm moving, but no RPMs there. No vehicle speed, no output speed. The gear is still first gear. Alright. Now I'm going to have to take this to the shop and see what's going on. See what that vehicle speed sensor is doing. Could be broken. I've had vehicles come in with this type of transmission in there, and there's been others that have the output speed sensor on the end, and rodents, mice and squirrels would eat the wiring. This could be the same way. Here, this owner here, from what I understand, drives out to the country. You go out there, the mouse and everything will eat the wires. So let me get this back to the shop so I could see what's going on under there. Chevy Malibu has been put on the lift. And what do we see up here? Go to the output speed sensor and you can see it's broken. So we're gonna put this together, see if we can get the speed sensor to work, see if we can get the transmission to shift. If this is the only issue, then we'll stop there. If not, we'll go further. So a mouse again. That's what it was. Okay, I'm back inside this Chevy Malibu after repairing that wire. I'm gonna see if this thing shifts. We see the speedometer is moving now. I'm gonna have to take it down the street. Oh yeah, it's shifting. Speedometer is moving, so I don't have to worry about hooking up the scanner, because I can feel it and I can see everything is okay right now. Yeah, you see the RPM gauge over there is going down, but you know what? It didn't have an output speed sensor code. It didn't even have a check engine light. Even though that sensor was disconnected, the wires were broken. The computer should have said output speed sensor circuit problem. It didn't show that. You see that? So you have issues, or sometimes where you got to find out, you got to figure it out, because the check engine light wasn't on. It would not have directed you to anywhere, pointed you to any particular part of the vehicle to check. All right, this is shifting just like it's supposed to. The customer thought he needed transmission. He has 216,000 miles on this, but he does a lot of highway driving, so I guess he can get some more use out of this before he actually needs a transmission. How much more, I don't know, but this is it for this video.